Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online in 2025. If you made a mistake on a check or need to cancel a payment before it's processed, I'll show you the exact steps to avoid it safely without messing up your records. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. On the left menu, click Expenses, then select Vendors. Find the vendor whose check you want to void and click their name. Next, under the transaction list, find the check you want to cancel and click to open. At the bottom, choose More, then click Void. QuickBooks will ask you if you're sure. Click Yes to confirm. If you want to void multiple checks, go to Expenses tab again, select all the checks you need to choose Batch Actions and click Void. And that's how to void a check in QuickBooks. It's quick, simple, and keeps your books accurate without deleting past payments. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. See you in the next one.